Hi, this is an unboxing of the Crystal Art Horse Canvas with Frame. You've probably already seen that in the thumbnail. So either you're interested in the horse or you're not. I get it. It's all good. But I'm going to unbox it for you so we can see what it is and what comes with it and all that stuff. Okay, we're going to move the box right there. All right. Are you ready? Are you ready for it? This is pretty. It's a pretty one. And of course, I've taken the toolkit out. I must have shown this once before. And let's take a look at the grid. Yep, it's good. It's good. One of the other ones I had, it was difficult. I think it was the peacock. It was very difficult. I couldn't place drills right here, but you can here. This one, they did a much better job at putting the frame on. Much better job. So they come out nice. They really do. For me, this is kind of hard to multi-place on this one because if you can see, they're not really straight lines. But it will come out really pretty. So on the Crystal Art one, here's the size. It's a 40 by 50. Don't know what that means in English. You could look it up. 40 by 50 centimeters. And on the other side is your color grid. So you see the red lines there? That means I've already verified that all the drills are here. So I originally was going to do this one for the Year of the Horse. But there's another one I'd much rather do, so I'm not going to do this one. So here are your colors. There will be a toolkit added, and apparently these are extra drills that I have thrown in there because the colors, I got this from the peacock. These were from the peacock. And what I do, because this is the same brand as the peacock, I match up the colors in here. See, these are the same. And I just keep them in case we run out. These are extras that came from the peacock. So that's why they're in here. So those will come. And if you want special drills, just let me know what ones you want. Here is a white. There is no special drills in here. Sorry. It kind of bums me out too when there's no special drills, you know? Okay, let's see. But the colors, they're pretty. This is going to be a pretty piece. So it's a round. And I have plenty of round specials. So you could let me know what you want to bling up. Like maybe the mange. Is that called mange? What is, help me out, guys. The hair on the back of the horse's head, we could bling that up. That would be pretty. So Z is 945. So I could include some 945 special drills or something very close to it. Yeah. So let me write that down. Okay, horse 745 special. So yeah, let me know what you think. I don't really know what this white line is there for. But if you're a horse person, you get it. So that is, and these frames, they don't come off. So it's not like you can pull this out, diamond paint it, and put it back on. They're like stuck in there. So you're going to diamond paint with the frame on it. And I recommend photocopying this or cutting it. As you guys know, I do photocopy these just so I have a backup. and I use the photocopy to kit up my kit, so I don't have to try to draw any funky symbols. But these are all letters, A to Z, and then a small a, small b, small e, small t, then a 3, 4, 5, and 6. And again, there are no special drills in here, but the symbols are all easy. So if you didn't want to photocopy it, you could easily write it on the top of the jars. Not a problem. So that is this kit. So if you want this, I will throw a toolkit in here. Whoops, I got a toolkit. I will include a toolkit if you want one. I have plenty. Just have to reach in my little drawer and pull one out and include it. So you let me know if this is something you would like. Put in the comments interested and shoot me an email, pamperedwithdiamonds@gmail.com. I look forward to hearing from you. Please, someone take this off my hands. Thank you. I'm Pampered with Diamonds, and I hope one of you have been looking for this horse. Have a wonderful day and be kind.